question from exercise 10.2. So please try question from 6 number. Okay. So question number 6 is, please try to understand the length of tangent. The length of tangent from a point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of circle is 4 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. Okay. The length of tangent from point A means you can write here. This is the circle, and here is the point. Here is the center, and the length of tangent means we can write here this, and after that this is the O, and here is the A, and here is the P. Okay. So data is already given. Some data, just I am going to write the tangent. Length of tangent from point E at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of circle is 4 centimeters. So find the radius of circle means you can write here this is the 4 centimeter and here is the 5 centimeter. We need to find here what is the value of radius. Okay, so we can write here what we know that length of, we know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent point. So we can write here what OP is perpendicular to AP. So we can write here in triangle APO. APO equals to what? OA square equals to AP square plus OP square. So the value of OA, you can see the value of OA, that is the 5 square, and the value of AP we can write here 4 square plus OP square. So OP square equals to 25 minus 16. So I think 9. So the value of OP means we can write here the radius of circle, that is 3 centimeters. So radius we can't take because we know that the square root of 9 equal to plus minus 3. But in the case of radius is always positive in sense. That's why we will have to take r equals to 3 centimeters. Now we move to question 7. Okay. So question number 7. Question number 7, that is the based on concentric circle. Two concentric circles are radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of chord of the largest circle which touches the smaller circle. Okay. So this is the question. This is the circle, and this is also one of the circle here. Okay. So this we need to find here A, what is the length of AB, means tangent of a smaller circle. Should the radius is already mentioned, the radius of smaller circle is 3 centimeters. So here is the 3 centimeter and here is the 5 centimeter. This is the 3 and this is the 5 centimeter. Here is the center. So we can write here let O. We can write here let O be center of concentric circles. Concentric circles. Okay. So we can write here O equals to 5 centimeter and OP equals to what? 3 centimeter. So as you know that this is the statement, we know that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent point. So we can write here in right angle triangle APO. So APO equal to what? OA square equals to AP square plus OP ka square. Here is this is term comes from Pythagoras theorem. So we can write here in the place of OA means 5 square. In the place of AP we need to find here, and OP is what? 3 ka square. So AP equals to what? AP square equals to 5 ka square, 25 minus 9. So we can write here AP equals to root under 60 means 4 centimeters. Similarly, we can also find the value of BP. We will get here similarly BP equals to what? 4 centimeter. So we can write here AP equal to AP plus BP. So 4 plus 4 means that is 8 centimeters. The length of tangent of a smaller circle is 8 centimeters. So now we are going to solve the question number 8. So please try to understand the question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8 is very important question. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn in the circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Okay, so this is the figure which is mentioned in the question already. Okay, this is the questions. Here is the ABCD, here is A, here is B, here is C, here is D, and here is the tangent PQ RS. We need to prove AB plus CD, so we can write here given but ABCD is quadrilateral, and to prove we need to prove here that AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Okay, so as you know that the length of tangent from exterior point of circle are equal, so we can write here we know that length of tangent drawn from exterior point of the circle are equal. So we can write here here is the A is the exterior point, so we can write here AP equal to AS. So you can write here tangent from A. Next BP equal to what? BP equals to BQ. So we can write here tangent from B. Next CR equals to CQ. So tangent from C, and DR equals to DS. So tangent from D. After that you can add it. If you will add AP plus BP, it will become what? AB, and CR plus DR, it will become what? CR plus DR, it will become BC, and CR plus DR, CD, CR plus DR equal to CD, and after that AS plus DS means AS plus DS equal to what? AD plus BC. So this is the part of proof. Okay, so now we are going to solve the question numbers. We are going to solve question number 9. Okay, so question number 9, that is the important question. So please, question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Please try to understand the question number 9. Question number 9 is in figure 10.13. So this is the figure is already given in book. So we can write here this is the tangent. This is also one of the tangent, and this is the tangent. You can draw it properly. Okay, you can draw it properly. This is the line, and after that here is the center, and this is the diameter, and here is the OB, and here is OA, and here is the C, P, Q, O, and here is the B, and here is the A, and next is Y, or next is Y dash. This is the X, and here is the X prime. So we need to prove here what एंगल AOB इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको ये पैरेलल दिया हुआ है एक्स वाई, मीन्स वी कैन राइट हियर गिवन एक्स वाई इज पैरेलल टू एक्स प्राइम वाई प्राइम. टू प्रूफ आपको यहाँ पे प्रूफ क्या करना है, एंगल AOB जो होगा वो क्या होगा 90 होगा. अब इसका प्रूफ में देखिए, आप प्रूफ में सबसे पहले कैसे बनाएंगे देखिए, आप इसको कंस्ट्रक्शन लिख लेते हैं. आप कंस्ट्रक्शन में इसको हम लोग ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे लिखते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन इक्वल टू होगा आपका ज्वाइन ओसी को ज्वाइन करें आप. अब इसका प्रूफ में देखें, तो प्रूफ में क्या होगा हम लोगों को, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल को कन्ग्रुएंट करते हैं, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल को कन्ग्रुएंट करेंगे, देखते हैं क्या इसका निकलता है. ट्रायंगल कौन सा कन्ग्रुएंट कर रहे हैं, इन ट्रायंगल APO एंड ट्रायंगल क्या होगा ACO. यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा आपका AP इक्वल टू AS, क्योंकि AP इक्वल टू क्या होगा AC होगा, क्योंकि लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट जो होगा हमेशा इक्वल होता है. सो लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट जो होगा आपका ड्रॉ होगा वो एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट से इक्वल होगा, और O इक्वल टू वही होगा, ये कॉमन है आपका. ठीक है, ये दोनों क्या है कॉमन है. नेक्स्ट जो है आपका ये एंगल भी 90 होगा, तो यहाँ पे लिख दें आप एंगल APO इक्वल टू एंगल ACO, ये भी कितना है 90. तो ये जो ट्रायंगल हो गया, ट्रायंगल जो हो गया कन्ग्रुएंट हो गया, ट्रायंगल APO इज कन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल ACO ड्यू टू RHS. और ये जब कन्ग्रुएंट होगा तो एंगल 1 इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा एंगल 2, ये आपका CPCD से हो जाएगा. एंगल 1 इक्वल्स टू 2, ये आपका CPCD से हो जाएगा. ये हो गया. फिर सिमिलरली ये दोनों ट्रायंगल को भी हम लोग कन्ग्रुएंट करेंगे, और उसके बाद कन्ग्रुएंट करके हम लोग इसका वैल्यू को फाइंड करेंगे. तो आप देखिए हम लोग ट्रायंगल कौन सा ले रहे हैं इस बार हम लोग कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेंगे, जो बॉटम का जो ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है उस ट्रायंगल को हम लोग लेंगे, और उसको हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे क्या उसका, उसमें क्या रिजल्ट आएगा इसका. ठीक है, फिर हम लोग उसको ऐड करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे देखिए आप क्या रिजल्ट इसका आएगा. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा आपका इन ट्रायंगल क्या लेंगे BQ एंड ट्रायंगल क्या होगा PCO, ट्रायंगल BCO. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा आपका OB इक्वल टू OB, ये तो आपका कॉमन होगा. और नेक्स्ट जो टेंजेंट कहाँ से ड्रॉ किए B से, तो BQ इक्वल टू क्या होगा BC, ये क्या है टेंजेंट, ये हो गया आपका. नेक्स्ट जो होगा वो क्या होगा एंगल BQ इक्वल टू क्या होगा एंगल BQ इक्वल टू BCO. लेंथ ये जो टेंजेंट जो होगा आपका पता होगा रेडियस जो होगा टेंजेंट पॉइंट पे परपेंडिकुलर होता है. तो ट्रायंगल PQ इज कन्ग्रुएंट टू triangle PCO with the help of RHS. If the triangle is congruent, so we can write here angle 3 equal to 4. Angle 3 equals to 4 with the help of CPCD. And if POQ is a straight line, that's why we can write here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 180 degree due to linear pair angle. ठीक है, because POQ is a straight line, that's why we can write here angle 1. We can write in the place of angle 1 we can write here 2 because 1 and 2 are equal. In the place of 4 we can write here 3 equals to 180. So we can take common angle 2 plus 3 equals to 180, and 2 will be here is the 90, and angle 2 plus 3 we can write here angle AOB equals to 90. So this is the